Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Mercedes-Benz are offered, including a tachometer, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and power front seats. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.